Time to give your espresso machine a thorough clean. Make sure you have all the necessary cleaning supplies ready. First, remove the portafilter and separate the filter basket from it. Rinse both parts under running water. Then use a brush to clean the inside and outside thoroughly. Soak the filter basket in hot water for about 10 minutes. Now, let's prepare the descaling solution. Pour the citric acid descaling powder into water and stir until it fully dissolves. Then pour the solution into the water tank up to the max line. Press the power button to turn on the machine. The indicator will flash while heating up. Once it stops flashing and stays lit, the machine is ready. Place a container under the group head. Then press and hold the single cup and double cup buttons simultaneously for 2 seconds to enter descaling mode. The single cup, double cup, and steam indicators will light up. Turn the steam water dial to the steam position. The steam indicator will illuminate, and water will start releasing from both the frothing nozzle and the group head. Once the steam and water stop flowing, return the steam water dial to the standby position. Descaling is now complete. Remove the water tank and pour out any remaining descaling solution. Rinse it thoroughly. Refill it with cleaning water. Put the water tank back into place. Now place an empty container under the group head and frothing nozzle. Turn the control dial to the hot water position. You'll see the power, standby, and steam. Hot water indicators flashing quickly. Water will release from both group head and frothing nozzle. When water and steam stops releasing, once the water and steam stop, return the dial to the standby position. Remove the water tank again. Discard any remaining water and clean it. Now let's clean grinder. Remove the bean hopper and take out the burr grinder. Use a brush to clean the coffee grounds from the hopper. Then rinse the burr with water. After drying it off, then reinstall it properly. And reinstall the bean hopper properly. Align the locking indicators on both the bean hopper and the hopper holder. Then lightly press down the hopper and rotate it clockwise slowly until you feel resistance. Next, remove the drip tray, empty and clean it. And place it back into the machine. Finally, wipe down the entire machine with a clean cloth. Your espresso machine is now clean and ready to brew again.